Okay, so this is late in the game, but we are watching the rocket launch. Yeah, hopefully we'll see this. We'll hear the sonic boom, but
you might not.
it's the contrail from the rocket launch, but we saw the separation. And
I still see a little piece from the rocket right there.
Yeah.
It's coming down.
Where do you see it coming down
Like right above the light.
at? Oh yeah.
Zoom in a little bit. You see it?
Yeah.
It's picking up really good on there. Really well. Zoom out, you'll see the other thing dropping. There it is.
Oh, that's the return piece.
I can't see the rocket. Lights in the way. Oh, I see it. Never mind.
Man.
See it? Look to the. There it is.
I know. I'm just trying to like keep that light away from the. But that rocket. I got in late on the video action here, but
I have the rest of it. I can airdrop it too.
with the sunlight behind it, we knew it would be very cool.
Yeah, come over here. We can get in front of the light too. Yeah, come over here. One light's really good. Oh, right here's good. Yeah. You move. Let him get where you are.
There we go. So then that return piece,
The return piece, can't find it anymore.
so that went back to the ocean and is going to return back to, Of Course I Still Love You, which is the name of the boat.
It's gonna get to a point where it's gonna get in the trees and we can't see it anymore. Trees.
But that separation, that splooge looking thing, it did, okay, yeah, it's going to be on the trees. We should get a sonic boom any moment.
Yeah, it is gone.
Okay, hold on. You guys have the broadcast?
No. Let's pull it up. Huh? You pull it up. You want me to send it to you? I was gonna airdrop it to you. Ooh, that looks cool.
Yeah, that's the white cloud is the. Wait, hold on.
White purple things.
Sometimes you hear the rumble. Can you kind of hear the rumbles?
Almost behind us, like on the other side of the street.
Huh?
Almost on the other side of the street.
Oh, that's okay. We're in Old Town of Camarillo.
It's probably good now, you think?
I want to hear the
Sonic boom.
the boom.
Are we gonna hear it from the traffic?
Oh yeah. You guys thought somebody broke in the house when.
Yeah. And Mommy went out there before she got a gun out.
That's right. Because we are armed.
Oh, there it was. I heard it. Did you hear it? Up two.
It's 2 in a row, isn't it?
That means two things separated.
Yeah. Hear the kind of the rumble, the roar, a little bit of the rumble afterwards too. That's good.
Alright, that's good enough. Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll airdrop this to you now.
That's cool. Over and out.
Over now.